my first video on this channel. And yeah, please click the like button down below and click subscribe also. And let's get on with the video. So today is 2017 codes. So I have already used all of these, but I will tell you all of them. And put in the comments down below which ones don't work anymore. So the first one is AJB Day 6. Come on. 6. And I have already used this code, so I shall show you what it looks like. Animal Jam 6th birthday cake. So it looks like this, and I believe when you click on it, it turns out like that. So yeah, AJB 6, and I'm pretty sure, like 100% sure that still works. Fashion, that should give you 500 gems. Party, that should give you 500 gems. Phantoms, that should give you 500 gems. Llamas, that should give you 500 gems. Arctic, that should give you 500 gems. Birthday, that should give you 500 gems. Gifts, that should give you 500 gems. What's the other ones? Oh, flying. That should give you 500 gems. Underwater. I didn't know about this until a while ago, but underwater actually still works, I believe. So, trivia. Nope. Yeah. So trivia, that should give you 500 gems. Explore. That should give you 500 gems. Explorer. That should give you 100 gems. And then Be My Buddy. So that should give you 1,000 gems. And then Trench. That should give you 500 gems. Have I entered this? Yes, I have. So, thank you so much for watching. Again, please like and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!